everyone.
Today I, Kumud,
And I, Diva,
are going to make a very special cake on the occasion of Mother's Day.
for our beautiful mama. So let's get started. Here we will take one mango and cut it into small pieces. You can take two also, it's your wish, but we are taking one mango.
And now we will blend the mangoes into a blender.
After blending, our mango puree is ready.
Now we will take 1 bowl of wheat flour and a half bowl of suji and 1 cup of curd. Now we will whisk it while adding milk in it.
We'll wait while it is whisking. Now add milk once again and whisk it once more.
Add refined oil and whisk it.
And make one batter.
Now we will add our mango puree in it.
And we'll mix it once again. You know, we are making a batter for the cake. So let's mix it till it becomes one batter. Our batter is ready. Now add sugar in it.
Now we will add 1 tablespoon of baking powder.
You know guys, it's going to be a very yummy cake and it would be a beautiful surprise for our mama. We are adding this baking powder, as you know.
And we will whisk it once again. Now our batter is ready.
Now add some jelly, fruit jelly in it.
You can also say tutti frutti.
Now it's almost ready.
Now we will grease the container with the oil, in which we will put the butter paper and also grease the butter paper with oil again. Now we will take a kadai and preheat for 10 minutes and we will put a plate in it.
Now as you know, our batter is ready, so we will put batter in that pan which we have already greased it with butter paper. Now we will just set it in that container.
And now we will add tutti frutti again.
Now put this container in that kadai which is already preheated.
And cover it with a lid.
Again cover it one plate. Now after 30 minutes our cake has been ready. It's so hot, so just let's see what's there. It's so hot. Now we are taking it out and a beautiful cake is ready. Now let's check it with the knife. Is it fully fluffed or not?
It's clean, means it's already baked. So our cake is ready. Now we will take it out with our container.
Now we'll just shake it and the cake will come out.
Actually, it is so hot.
Yeah, that's why we should wait.
Our cake has been come out.
It's ready. If you like our recipe, hit the like and subscribe button.
Thank you.
Bye bye.